All right, first graders, today we are going to practice listening for individual sounds in words, okay? And we are going to use each one of these squares to represent each sound in every word. So listen to me, tap out the sounds in the word big. What's my word?
Big.
So I've got the word big. B-I-G. Big. My first sound, B, middle, I, last sound, G. Each one represents its own sound, okay? So now I want you to try it. Let's do the word bag. Like I put my groceries in a bag. What's the word?
Bag.
Okay, you're going to tap this one with me. Are you ready? Hands up. What's my word, Manuel?
Bag.
Bag. All right, ready? Starting from the left. Go.
B-A-G.
And blend it.
Bag.
Bag. Good job. All right. So now we're going to practice changing some of these sounds in our word, okay? Instead of bag, what was this first sound, Manuel?
B.
B. B. Say B. Watch me. B.
B.
B. Good. All right. So instead of bag, we're going to change it to tag. Like I like to play tag at recess. So watch me. I'm going to change B to T. Now you do it. Now what's my first sound, Molly? T. All right, let's tap that one out. Are you ready? Starting at the beginning, my word is tag. What's my word?
Tag.
All right, ready? Here we go. G. Blend it. Tag. Good. Let's do a completely different word. All right, so our word is pig. Like you see a pig on a farm, right? What's my word?
Pig.
All right, let's tap it out. I'm going to listen to you guys this time. Are you ready? Go ahead, starting on the left. Ready? Go.
Pig. Pig.
Good job. Now let's say I want to change pig to wig. Like I can wear a wig for hair, right? Molly, to change pig to wig, what sound needs to change?
To.
Can you say woo? Good. Can we all say woo? All right, good job. Can we change p to woo? Now we're going to tap it. Are you ready? Set, go. Woo.
Pig.
Wig. That was so good. Good job. Let's change wig to fig. Have you ever had a fig?
No.
It's a fruit. If I want to change wig to fig, what do I want to change, Zanaya?
I want to change
Good.
to.
All right, let's do that. Change woo to f. Okay. Are we ready to tap? Ig. Fig. Let's change the word fig to the word dig. Like I'm going to dig a hole. What's my word? Dig. Good. Now, Zanaya, to change fig to dig, what do I need to change? Which sound needs to change?
I need to change to. D.
That's right. To d. Can you show me how you're going to do that? Good. Can we all change f to d? All right. What's my new word?
Dig.
Dig. What's my new word?
Dig.
Dig. All right. Are you ready to tap? Set. Go.
Dig.
Dig. Good job. You guys did such a good job. High fives. High fives. High fives.
For more information, please visit readinguniverse.org. Special thanks to Eisenhower Elementary School, Enid Public Schools, and the Oklahoma State Department of Education. Reading Universe is made possible by generous support from Jim and Donna Barksdale, the Emily Hall Tremaine Foundation, and 2 anonymous donors. Reading Universe is a service of WETA Washington, D.C., the Barksdale Reading Institute, and First Book.
This is Reading Universe.